Did you know the human race knows more about outer space than it does about the ocean? A promising technological breakthrough in understanding and exploring the sea has been drones. Yes, drones can fly underwater. Here's how. How to fly drones underwater. University of Aeronautics and Astronautics has devised an unmanned aerial vehicle that can transform between an underwater form and an aerial form, and this it does using a piston mechanism which allows the vehicle to protractively retract its wings underwater to avoid damage and then extend them from aerial flight. Here's how the mechanism works. Those are the retractable wings. Additionally, underwater drones include a watertight cabin, fixing frame, navigation system, energy supply system, and charging port. This is another patent filed by Zhejiang University. Let's look at that's what their drone looks like. Well, a lot of research on how to fly drones underwater.